It is currently 5 a.m. in the Polish city of Auschwitz, and we are here because of bad planning. Apparently a couple months ago they made a law that you need to reserve tickets to see Auschwitz. It's still free, but you just need to reserve a spot, and we did not look into that. And so now we're here. Instead of going to Krakow, which we originally intended, we got off the train at 5 a.m. in Auschwitz, and we're gonna wait till 7:30 to go to the Auschwitz gates and see if we can just get in. It's supposed to rain today, so hopefully not everyone will show up and we'll be able to get a spot and go in. But we've got a 2.5 hour wait now.
2 hours later.
It's about 6:30 in the morning now. We're walking to Auschwitz.
It is very cold outside.
It's pretty cold, but it's pretty early still. And it's Poland. We're gonna go try to find food first and then see if we can get in. We are still searching. It's about to be 7:30, but we think we're going the right way. So it shouldn't be too much longer. First full day and only full day in Krakow, Poland. And we have no plan, so we're just gonna walk around.
All the time and looking for freedom, holding back the urge to go home. Hey! I wanna be the last to go. Took my car and drove up to town. All the people look down in the ground. Hey! Does anybody want to know?
We just saw some firefighters save a little bird stuck in some netting by a church. It was the coolest thing. You'd never see that in America.
We saw a big crowd, so we went running over to see what the commotion was, and that was it.
We should get a grip of ourselves and hang on to the hope of a new life. Hey! Don't wanna be the last to go.
So I've just been doing some research on the history of Krakow, and it was originally built upon a dragon cave, and many knights tried to slay the dragon, but no one succeeded, and then Krakow fed the dragon a poisoned land and killed it, and that is how Krakow became a thing.
We are slowly making our way down to Schindler's factory, just to see it from the outside at least. Megan recently watched Schindler's List for the first time, and so we got a bit inspired.
However, we're probably not going to go inside it because you have to book the tours a couple days in advance. But on Mondays you can go for free, but today's Saturday.
And we leave on a Sunday.
I hope the way we are will win you over. See it the right way, change who you are. I hope the way we are will win you over. See it the right way, change who you are.
For lunch yesterday we had pierogies. For dinner we had pierogies. For lunch today,
Pierogies.
I got duck and apple pierogies and juice with carrots, thanks to this one. It doesn't look like it, right?
This is my 4th meal of pierogies in 2 days in Poland. Look at this. I love them.
She's obsessed. I did not get pierogies this time.
Hello, world. Just woke up in Krakow, Poland,
America?
The world?
Krakow, Poland, the world?
Krakow, Poland, Europe, world.
Okay, well, we just woke up and we dropped our bags off, and now we're going to the Museum of Archaeology because we saw that it's free, and we're trying to find it. As always, we don't know where we're going. It opens at 11, and it is 10:30, so we will be back.
2,000 years later.
Walked into the museum and they gave us a lot of tickets. Cool.